Hello friends, welcome back. In today's video, we will discuss about dictionaries in Python. In real life, in the dictionaries, data will be stored in key and value pair. If you look at any Oxford dictionary, first you will have a word and corresponding meaning of that particular word. So if you want to search any word meaning in the dictionary, so you will have to use the word. So without knowing the word, you cannot know the meaning of it, right? So similarly in Python as well, in Python dictionaries, data will be stored in key and values. So let's see how we can define a dictionary in Python. So for defining a dictionary in Python, we use curly braces, something like this. So in these curly braces, the data will be stored in the key and value pair. Let's assume that we are storing a data of a student. Okay, I will name this dictionary as student is equal to this empty curly braces. So in this curly braces, so if you want to save the name of the student, you can have key as name and the student name. Let's take something like this. And in case if you want to save the age of the student, you can say maybe age and that student age. Let's take something like 15 years and so on. If you have any more data to be stored in this dictionary, you can do that. Okay, so now let's print out this entire dictionary and see the output, how it looks. So for that, click on this floppy icon to save the program and choose the folder wherever you want to save the program, and I will name dictionary examples.py. So after saving the program, run it by hitting the play button here. See, we got to see everything in the console over here. Now in dictionaries, if you want to access, okay, if you want to access any particular element, okay, we need to use key of that particular entry. Just like in list, we use index value to access any data in the dictionary, in the list. But whereas in the dictionaries, we have to use the key. So the indexing will not work in dictionaries. So in this case, let's say I want to know the student name. So I can simply say student of double quotes name and close it, and after this one. So now you will be able to get the student name. So if you want to verify that, maybe you can use print and save the program and run it again. See here, you got the output, right? So similarly, okay, similarly, you can add new entries to the dictionaries as well. Okay, let's say something like you want to add contact number of this particular student. So in this case, what you can do is you can simply say student of, okay, the key has to be there. Okay, so let's say in this case, contact, and maybe you can give a number, some number. Okay, let's say something like +1, something like this. Okay, I'm just giving some random number over here. Okay, I forgot to use assignment operator, which is equal symbol. Okay, so this is how we can add new entries to the dictionary. See that. So finally, if you print the dictionary, you will get to see all the values. I mean, including the new entry that we have added here. See, you got the contact as well in the dictionary. So one more time, guys. So dictionaries are not ordered data structure. That means we cannot access dictionary items using a index value. So to access any value from a dictionary, we should be knowing the key of it, just like our English dictionary. So in the English dictionary, if you want to know the meaning of any word, you should be knowing the word, right? So similarly, in dictionaries as well, we have to use the key to get the data of that particular entry. And let's say you want to know what keys are there in the dictionary. Okay, so in this case, what you can do is you can simply say student dot keys. You will get all the keys from that particular dictionary. Okay, and similarly, if you want to know the values, only the values, then you can use a function called values. So if you print these two statements to the screen, you will get to see the values. So print here one and here as well. Okay, so save this program, guys, and see here. So we got a list of keys, and in the next line we got list of values. So that's about defining dictionaries in Python. Okay, so in the next video, we will try to write a student management application. So for this one, we will be using dictionaries, loops, and conditions. Okay, guys. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.